When it comes to exterior layout, Hilti has the right tool for your job. Introducing the PR300H V2S, one universal rotating laser that will handle any exterior layout task, horizontal, vertical, and up to 2 slopes. It does it all, maintaining precision through the toughest job site conditions. Our latest line of rotating lasers come with the most innovative drop resistance technology, packed with protection from inside out. If it drops, it doesn't just come back on, it's as precise as it was before the drop. The PR300 includes a remote and receiver all in one. It intuitively guides the user through different applications with minimal training required. Auto alignment takes productivity to the max. Simply set the tool up, press auto, and watch it work. Pair the tool with our PRA90 automatic tripod for the fastest one-operator height transfers. In vertical mode, auto alignment replaces string line applications. The bright line laser stays where it's supposed to, unlike string, which is prone to movement. Or set the tool in slope mode for easy angle transfer and grade calculation across long distances. Easy exterior layout at the push of a button. The PR300H V2S joins 2 other versatile rotating lasers. The PR2HS for easy horizontal and manual slope layout, and the PR30H VS with automatic alignment for horizontal, vertical, and digital slope. Each laser is backed by our unbeatable Hilti tool warranty. These easy-to-use tools can take a beating while packing the productive punch you need on your next job. Hilti rotating lasers, built to last.
This is the DBC16H Rebar Cutter Bender, another innovative tool by BN Products USA. This portable combination tool provides job site cutting and bending of rebar all in one tool. The unique design of this combination unit provides the operator the ability to cut and bend rebar for in-place rebar or stationary fabrication. These markings will help you bend any angle up to 180 degrees. The tool can be positioned in 2 different angles depending on the application. This safety guard will keep the cutter protected during bending operations. This powerful electric hydraulic tool can cut or bend up to number 5 16mm grade 60 rebar. The unit also comes with this heavy-duty carrying case. Well, that's a look at the DBC16H Rebar Cutter Bender Combo Unit. For more information and to find a distributor near you, visit bnproducts.com.
Well, you definitely need an arsenal of tools when you go to face a drain call. You never know what you're going to get involved with. The fact that Milwaukee makes as many tools as they do gives you a lot of options to pull from.
My first impressions of the Milwaukee drain line tools, I'm really excited about them. They're lightweight, they're easy to use, they're battery operated, and they're really reliable.
All the different Milwaukee drain equipment that's available gives me everything I need to take care of any drain or any of the customer's needs.
Different applications are going to call for different tools, obviously. The backpack would be used in a different scenario than the drill. So having all of them on site and ready to go when they're needed would be extremely helpful.
Using the Milwaukee cordless tools for the drain cleaning is a lot less hassle. You're not stumbling over cords. Light, easy to use, easy to carry. Cables are self-contained, and also they operate very cleanly.
The cleanup is a lot easier than it would typically be with an old open drum style machine.
For the Milwaukee to be as compact and light, no cleanup, it saves time and money.
Using the Milwaukee drain cleaning cordless equipment, it will help us to be more efficient on each drain cleaning call we're doing, and that will help us do more calls in a day and be more efficient at each one of those calls.
It's great to have many products made by Milwaukee that are battery powered. You can use the batteries for all of your tools.
So it's not a special battery just for the drain equipment, and it still has the power.
in a new Milwaukee drain cleaning solutions. They made them durable. The cables are sturdy. For every situation, there is a solution.
The tools are excellent, heavy duty, can clear a drain and not make a mess. Why buy anything else?
The tools we're using with the DX9s were awesome. It's seamless because the tools are so easy to handle and they're easy to run.
As a project team and as an organization, it's really important that we work with our customers to get real-time feedback from them, take that input and incorporate it into the next generation tool.
It's got a really good feel to it, felt really sturdy, comfortable.
They come up with a narrower handle, which is better now.
Instead of operators feeling the impact in their shoulder, now it's going to be spread to their elbows, so it's more of a natural movement when you're using the tool.
You compare that tool to puddle welding and bent over, it's no comparison.
Welding is so hard on your hamstrings, and I'd go home, my back would be so stiff. And then I seen this and I was like, man, I gotta learn how to do that.
It's a lot easier to train a guy on Hilti versus welding. You take your shot, you take a look, use your card if need be.
Welding, normally one guy doing 10,000 square feet welding. Hilti gun, some people doing maybe 20,000, 50,000. That's more production than welding.
We wanted to make the tool more robust. So there's about 120 different parts that have either been changed, upgraded, or modified.
They also have a digital service indicator on top, which hopefully will give our guys more insight of what the tool is doing.
It allows us to get feedback from our guys, which guys are doing what, how much they're doing.
So now we're giving the customers real-time diagnostics on when the tool needs to be cleaned.
Give the operator more information at his fingertips to really see, what's happening with his tools.
We're taking the decking tools digital.
If you really value your employees and you care about your employees and you want to keep those employees, how could you not go to Hilti and say, hey, what's our alternative here?
They care about our projects. They want us to succeed. We consider them to be a partner.
It opened our eyes to what Hilti's really about.
More power, more speed, but with less noise and vibration, and zero hassle with an air hose and compressor. Introducing the 70-pound AVT breaker hammer. The HM1812 delivers 53.9 foot-pounds of impact energy. That means faster concrete breaking. New Makita breaker technology is engineered to deliver the power and efficiency of a pneumatic hammer. The HM1812 will deliver efficiency and comfort you never expected from an electric breaker. Eliminate the torment of the high vibration, high noise, and high cost you get with pneumatic jackhammers. It's equipped with Makita's advanced AVT, a synchronized 3-component system which greatly reduces vibration. Advanced AVT provides a mechanical counterbalance system which greatly reduces vibration, a vibration-absorbing housing which moves independently of the motor and hammer mechanism, rubberized handles for less vibration, more power, more speed, but with less noise and vibration, and zero hassle with an air hose and compressor. The HM1812 electric breaker is what contractors have been waiting for.